huge mess, dude. If any of you want like some fenders, let me know. Also, if you have not yet checked out the last video, we got these insane carbon fiber fenders. Fitment's perfect. These fenders are from Alliance Carbon. It's just like absolutely insane that we have these on the car. So go check out the last video. It was a full install and just everything about the fenders. A few things from the last video. A lot of you were saying that I need a hood. Yes, carbon fiber hood is coming. I mean, this hood is all, I don't think you can see that, but it's like, oh, it's all like scratched up. Cats have like went over this, scratched everything, pooped on it. Bunch of shit marks. It just freaking sucks. So yes, hood is coming. It's gonna take quite a bit to make, probably like a month and a half, 2 months. So expect it after that time. And also, after putting these amazing fenders on, headlights are looking really ugly. Let's just say we got headlights on the way. Which headlights? I'm pretty sure you guys know. But the man of the hour's here, I'm pretty sure. And that's what we're making a lot louder today. Yo, it is hot, my dude. I had to put on sunscreen. What do you think?
They're nice.
Yeah. Yeah, they're awesome. Dude, they weigh 3 pounds. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, I know. I can tell by the video how just like...
Yeah.
It looks good though.
Yeah, so I'm waiting on... And then the carbon fiber hood. Ooh, actually, we gotta do the test. Hold on. Alright, he's good, he's good, he's good. Alright, how's Akita gonna react to you? Oh, no, yep.
Small cat.
So what are we doing today?
So we're gonna be installing this eBay Y pipe.
So he got an eBay Y pipe. So how much did it cost?
It was only $100.
Only $100. And
Plus shipping.
Plus shipping?
Plus shipping.
Damn.
Which was like $60. That was it. I only bought it. Reasons you don't really see out there. This here out a lot.
Yeah.
On, you know, media and all that. So.
Because normally people go with like ISR, which that's like $300 or
$300, $260. So this is for the Z fam out there, those who are on a budget.
Exactly, yeah.
How it's like, so
we're gonna see how it sounds. And what size is it? The piping?
Supposedly, I mean, to the description, it's like a 3-inch, and then the flanges are like 2.5 or something like that.
Yeah, that's really crazy because my Y pipe I think is like 2.5 inch. I have the still-in one.
And I'll be honest with you. I mean, I had the ISR. You know, the ISR, you know, definitely looked a little bit bigger than this. Yeah. And this is so light.
Yeah, let me see.
It's so crazy.
Oh yeah, damn, that is pretty light.
Yeah, and you can tell. I mean,
yeah,
it's eBay because when you put it this way, you can just like kind of like.
Yeah, these flexors are hella soft.
Yeah, I know.
And also you can see, like you can tell from cheap piping and expensive one, because this normally, if it was like an expensive one, this would be like welded on, so it'll be like smooth. Welded, yeah, it wouldn't be like the separation right there. Yeah, that separation right there, that little lip. But hey, we're gonna see how it is, dude. Because $100, it looks pretty good.
For $100, hell yeah.
And I mean, so we're gonna see how it sounds, and then you're getting tuned
on September 10th.
September 10th. So we're gonna do a video when he tunes it and see just how much power the Nismo makes.
Not the same.
I think it's definitely better than the stock Wi-Fi.
Oh yeah, for sure.
100%.
It's almost kind of just a replacement. That's all it really is.
They come with
yes, it did.
Gaskets?
Cheap ones. You want to see?
Let's see them eBay gaskets. Oh, that is pretty cheap. I mean,
compared to other ones.
Yeah. So I actually needed a recall, but I didn't recall it.
Bro.
I'm just kidding. Imagine you're going to somebody's house. Yeah, these Jacksons are a little jacked up, but we should be good. So we're gonna put a timer and see how long it takes us. And we start right there. It is out. Let's go.
Is there no gasket there?
Yeah, there's a gasket.
Oh, there's a gasket.
This is how long it took to take it out. So I believe it should take like 30 minutes to put the other one back in. There it is. Look at these things. Literally, my whole wrist can go around this. What the heck? Go around that. Damn, what the heck?
Dude, those things are small.
Compare that to that. Look at that. That's actually insane. No, the piping is 100% like much bigger. This is a stock Y pipe you would get in a base model. Or the Nismo's probably the same length as well, right? Or the same size.
Same thing, yeah.
But oh my gosh. As you can see from that comparison, 100% an upgrade. Like just how wide the piping is. More airflow.
Oh, for sure.
Much better. 4 pipe. That's fine, it's from eBay. Yo, so there's a little puddle on that side, and look at Victor, bro. My man's so...
Dude, my Vans are soaked, bro. Look at that.
That side is fully tightened. The connection between the cap back and the white pipe is also tightened. And also, like, installing it was kind of a pain because the fitment between the 2 pipes, you gotta like stretch them out because they come a little close up, so you gotta match it with the test pipe, so you gotta like stretch them out. That was kind of annoying. We got it though. Not too bad though, but that's what you get when you buy eBay parts. But we made it work, and honestly it wasn't that big of a deal. Here we go, everything's put on. This is gonna be the first startup. The startup was definitely louder, right?
Oh, yeah, for sure, yeah.
Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Sounds less.
Yeah, it sounds
like
sounds more like throatish, right?
Yeah.
Here, give it some revs. Yes, we can give it some revs. Daylight.
That's like this sucking sound. You hear that? I never heard that before. What the f?
Yo, it is so freaking hot. Woo! Is that a Nismo? God damn. I like it. I like it. I like how it sounds though, like it's pretty loud.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. Much louder than before, I think.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Disturbing the pizza at Walmart. Let's go. Yo, why does that car low-key look like a Supra? Like I know it's not a Supra, but I've been staring at it for like the past 2 minutes, and I'm like, is that a Supra? But it's a freaking Chrysler Crosser, or whatever you call it. And my audio took a crap once again. Let's freaking go. Basically, I'm saying my exhaust against his. We're gonna go ahead and compare them. I'm running the full Tomei with a still-in Y pipe and test pipes. He's running eBay test pipes with the eBay Y pipe and then the ISR single. ISR single is about $300. Tomei is about $950. Big price gap. Comment down below which one you like better. This one goes first.
cars just over there on the by the road.
Mine sounds like an evil, like, but yours is like deeper, like a whoop 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 whoop.
It sounds like, must be like it's like roaring.
Oh, I gotta move way forward.
Dude, that sounds so good.
What do you think?
Sounds really good, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It feels really good on the inside.
It does, doesn't
really
it?
nice.
How do you feel driving an automatic?
Huh?
How do you feel driving an automatic?
It feels good. It feels like I'm just chilling. I'm just clicking paddles, bro. So I'm not gonna have it on the pop map, so there's like a better, because if mine's popping, yours isn't, that's kind of unfair, so.
Yep. Dude, that's crazy. Wow. That's obnoxious right there. Sounds so good though. No comparison at all. There is no comparison. Yeah, I'm about to go back to the Tomei, I'm not even gonna lie. Dude, you can't compare them both at all, dude.
Really?
Dude, no comparison, bro.
Is mine that loud?
You're just loud, bro.
But hey, like people say on the internet, louder is not always better. So what tone do you like better? Or like just which exhaust? The one that Victor has or this one on Brittany? Comment down below. Like, is this right here a sidewalk? It's literally wide enough for a car, so. That Tomei sounding mean! And the fender's glistening in the sun, bro. Look at that. If you have not watched the fender video, which is the last video, go ahead and watch it. Absolute banger. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. There's a bunch of cars going by, so you probably can't hear me, but leave a big thumbs up. What car sounds better? eBay exhaust or the Tomei exhaust? Like, honestly, the Tomei just sounds pissed off, dude. Like, it just sounds actually pissed off. The other one's more of like a muffled, like deep sound. Let me know down below which one you like better. Leave a big thumbs up on this video. Join the family if you have not already. We're trying to get to 100K by the end of the year. We're gonna keep on grinding, and I hope you guys are too. Peace out and hasta luego.